mo isa ka practice ra ko para. Welcome to Bohol and you're tuned in to Road Trip 101 with Adonis, Riboy and Aldin. Sa unsa lay sakyan? The master of hits, hiking.
Put your hands up, you just surrounded. The whole love thing, I clowned it. Then who's the joker? I guess I'm in. Cause I let it right go and I found it. Time has never been my best suit. Now I got everything except you. You moved out of my heart, still got the bruise. I give it all back to be next to you. I turn my radio up and it's just my luck. Ooh, yeah, 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 babe. I turn my TV on, it's the same old song. Why are you following me? It's like I'm missing you.
Later, we will check out Vilar Loboc's man-made forest. Mo na yun doon. Ginugitan. Barangay sa Loboc. Ako kailan. Approaching the residence of Anthony More. Hindi ka na eh. Tara. Ba? Asa na balay? Tara. Ah, ito.
Na? Iya, mga ka.
Asa na?
Ito na ka na.
Kanang color yellow? Oo. Sabi sa balay. Lucky me. Pansit Canton. Dili lang niya mo kana sa tagiyan ni sa driver. Daghan may gipang grocery.
Asa ka grocery?
Pero dili niya mo
Asa ka grocery?
Island City Mall.
Island City Mall.
So, nami toyo dire. Nami suluban dilata. So ga-espalto sila. Ilang ga-espalto? Oh, there is a project going on. Moto siya ay clean transit. Sikat kayo nga transit sa Bohol. Pero karon anay kompetensya ang series bus. Ako na pa. Wow, love it yo. Love it kuha ba yo?
Model.
Model. Model. Sayang gari Aldin. Gara-gara ka. There's some vendors here. Over there.